Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start an instant meeting in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, if you just like to start a meeting straight away in Microsoft Teams, it's pretty simple. First, you need to go to this chat icon, and by clicking on this, you should now see this Meet Now icon. By clicking on Meet Now option, you can start your meeting directly by entering the name of the meeting. For instance, I'll wish to start marketing meeting like this, and then choose whether you want to get a link for the meeting to share or just start immediately. To start the meeting immediately, just click on Start Meeting, and this will connect your meeting like that. And then you'll have an option to invite people to join your meeting. So you can send an invitation here by searching for people, or you can as well copy meeting link, share with them, or share via default email. So that's how you can start a meeting instantly on Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.